Hi everyone, in this video I wanna show my experience how to level apartments if I need to pour a lot of self-leveling compound. People ask me, it's very heavy, how we can do it. So this is example how I am doing. So first of all, when we check the floor, one side of the master bedroom, you see the green, this is one high point, and if we have a look to another side in the bathroom, there is exactly the same high point. It means, so this side and another side it's level, but middle it's very low. So if we take tape measure and check it, it's 1 3/4 inch down, very low. It's not comfortable when you walk, it's going down. So what I need to do, so if I pour here is self-leveling compound, here is need approximately to make level approximately 40 bags. It's around 900 kilos, so almost 1 ton. If we put on wood framed apartment on third floor, it's very old, it can fall down. You know how to do it good. So what I do, I put backer board. If you see this backer board, we guys using for tiles for the wall, mount on the wall. This one piece of backer board 4x8 only 30 pounds. It's half-inch thickness, so only 30 pounds. So one bag of self-leveling compound 50 pounds. I put in living room and master bedroom 21 sheets. It's 21 sheets. It's around 600 pounds. It's not much. It's really light. I glue it with mortar for tiles to the concrete subfloor. When it's dry, I put over approximately 1/4 inch somewhere, you know, maybe a little bit more self-leveling compound and make it level. Now it's really good, and it's not much self-leveling compound, and use for 950 square feet for whole place. I use it 34 bags only. So if we spread it around the whole place, it's usually nothing. So if I didn't use backer board for making level in this apartment, I have to add 21x3, it's around 60 bags extra. So if I do total calculate, it's gonna be around 100 of bags self-leveling compound. It's too much. It's very heavy and expensive. So I hope this video was very helpful for you. This only idea what I did, so you can do different way. You can fix the frame and making many other things. How build up subfloor with backer board you can find on this video. If you have a question, don't hesitate, ask me, I always answer you. See you next video.